Well, what we have here is a 2012 Chevy Volt, and we're about to fix the rear bumper and the rear quarter panel. Somewhat extensive damage. As you can see, the bumper is completely jacked up here. We're going to replace that, do some body work in this location, make it like brand new again. Minor scratches, couple little knickknacks here, a little minor damage on the low end, but we'll take care of all that in a minute. For the most part, the car is in good condition. Just a little of the magic hand here by Luxury Auto Body and Paint. This is Michael signing off.